How to link or unlink services in SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, go down and then tap on Connected Devices. After that, we scroll down and then tap on SmartThings. Now in here, tap on the menu button, then tap on the settings icon at the top. After that, we scroll down and tap on link services. And here, if you want to unlink a service, tap on the more button at the top, then tap on unlink, then tap on the remove button right next to the name of the service that you want to remove, and then tap on unlink. Now just wait for that to be removed and then tap on done. To add in a service or to link it, what you need to do is you need to go back to your home screen here and go to devices and add in device. So select your room, living room, all devices, and then tap on add device. And here you have few options. You can link Samsung devices, partner devices. You can try to scan a QR code if the device have a QR code, or scan nearby devices. So I'm going to select add. You can use the search button to search, or you can browse through the list here. So I have one that I have already installed or connected, and that is Tapo. So on my phone, before you can use the service, make sure you install the relevant app. So if you have a TP-Link device, then you install the Tapo service. So I have installed my Tapo service already on my device. So all the software and drivers are already there. So you go back to your smart device and select the appropriate smart device that you want to connect. So here is the outlet, Tapo outlet, and then tap on link account. Next, you need to sign into your account. So use your username and password and then sign in with a password. If you have authorized or if you've signed in before, then it remembers the information and you can just simply tap on the authorize button. And that's it. Tap on done after that. And here, if you go to devices and in living room, you can see I have one device that I can now turn on or turn off. And you go to menu and then tap on settings, then go down and tap on link services. You can see now it has added a new services in there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.